Hey there, it's me, Holly again. I just wanted to check in and see if you've had time to find a local farmer's market or do any of the recipes in Farmer's Market Fresh. I came out here to our side garden this morning. I was hoping to find some zucchini because I kind of have a hankering for that zucchini bread recipe that I give you in today's email. All I did seem to find was this poor little half-eaten, shriveled up cucumber, which I don't think that's gonna work. And I also found a beautiful strawberry on one side, but then it's kind of half-eaten on the other. You know, that always seems to happen in my gardens. I have these grand plans for all these things I'm going to do and plant, and I buy and get all excited about, and then during the season, the weather, the bugs, and well, life kind of get in the way. Sort of sounds a little bit like parenting homeschooling, doesn't it? Well, that's why I created the Giles Frontier. I want a place that you can go to anytime for encouragement and inspiration on your journey, whether it's homeschooling, gardening, or anything else. The next time we'll meet up is in our Frontier Field Notes. I send those out about once a week, unless mischief and mayhem erupt around here, which is kind of normal. Well, inside, I usually share what's going on around here with the boys, and I also give you a little encouragement for your week. But until then, why don't you put your books down for just a little while, grab your kids, and go out and explore your community.